with these new ones. Given the fact that they're a push-pull setup, I do want to make sure that I am putting them in a specific order that matches the way they were in here. So to do that, I need to unhook these. They don't require any screws. They have these springs on them. Might need to remove this fan. I'm going to try not to though. There we go. Okay, so let's take a look at that real quick here. I'm going to make sure that I match these up. So I'm going to go just like that. Slide that clip out. Clip goes in. Just like that for that side. And slide it into place right here. And we'll go ahead and get this next one out. Unhook that side. And then to get this one off, I'm going to go ahead and just release that. Okay. I'll plug this in before I slide it in. I think that's going to make my life easier. Okay, we're in. Ooh, we're going to lose that piece. Put it back in. Oh, come on. How are we going to get that hooked? I'm going to grab a couple tools down here. See if I have anything that is likely to be able to help. I'm hopeful a pair of tweezers will be able to help me. Locked in there. Okay. We'll go for the next one here. Follow the same pattern that I did before, which was loop this around. Now, in order to have some clearance on the ram down here and the fan that's blowing on those, I'm trying to keep this slightly higher than the other one. Not ideal, but also isn't going to be the end of the world. We'll get that locked in over here. And we'll use the tweezers to get that in on the far side as well. And just like that, we've replaced the Noctua original fans, these tan ones, with the black ones over here. It's going to make it look much more uniform. To keep going with my PC customization, I'm adding some Noctua Chromax fan covers here. They're going to go over the fins to the CPU fan. Relatively easy setup. They come in two parts and they're magnetically held together. This goes on top and then this sits right on top of it, provides some color. So we're gonna go ahead and install these two. A couple parts that come with these. Get these out here real quick. Those are the two pieces I'm really interested in, but they also come with multiple color choices that you can change out. My case is black and red, so I'm not going to need those, but these little pieces right here are what's going to allow us to connect up these to it. And make sure that I got this correct here. I'm gonna pull that one out. I'm gonna pull this one out. Sets on top, just like that. And these go just like that. That holds it down. Let's see if I can't. Not causing too much trouble. Nope. We're going to try and leave that other side on. Get that affixed and put that back in place, hooked in. Make sure that I got space over here. But okay, now that we got those in there, these are magnetic. It should just slide right on. Make sure that they're the right direction that I want them, upright. There we have it. Just added the Noctua CPU fin covers, red and black, continuing to ensure that I've got the right color scheme set up for my PC, the way I'd like it, which is mostly red and black with a little bit of chrome.